back at Busch Gardens. The weather is actually better than it was, so let's check out some RMC Gwazi and Howl-O-Scream updates. Alright, we're at Gwazi. Let's see what we can see. Doing a lot of work on the station. Also fireworks. They have more walls up, keeping us out. Right here by the entrance, they got a whole bunch of new wood structure.
Hey, Daddy.
Just got my 2 free beers, and they actually changed it up. I was allowed to get Blue Moon and the Summer Shandy, which is quite amazing. So Beer Fest starts very soon, so let's walk and see what they got set up for it. This looks pretty cool. They've basically got the Food and Wine Fest area all the same, but for Beer Fest, just slightly different theming. So they'll have people perform here because it's Beer Fest and there's thrills on tap. Pretty sure these are literally all the same booths from Food and Wine that they just kept up. Does anybody remember whenever this used to be Dark Hearts Fear Fair for Howl-O-Scream? Or Bloody Bayou? Because I do, and it was awesome. They really should bring back another haunted trail style haunted house through here. The good old days of Howl-O-Scream. The backside of Sesame Street, and there is nothing but new wood for Gwazi. Whenever we get out there here in a bit to see the fireworks, hopefully we can get a better view of all of this construction-ness. Hold on.
See how big it is?
That poor thing. The thing is like 3 times as big as the other one.
What I got? Well, so much for trying to see some more, oh there goes Falcon's Fury. So much for trying to see some more Howl-O-Scream construction stuff and RMC Gwazi stuff. Got tied up waiting in lines and the sun has gone down pretty much, so now we're gonna wait for the fireworks to start. It is very humid, by the way, in case you couldn't tell in the video. It's hot. Look, there they are. Look, there's Mommy. In about a week exactly, this will become Simon's Slaughterhouse for Howl-O-Scream. But for now, it's firework time. Here's our pitch black view of RMC Gwazi. We'll have to come back here during the week. Maybe we can try to get a better look at this. RMC Gwazi with all the fireworks smoke. Almost looks hollow screamy. It looks like right here is where that barrel roll that goes to the lift hill will exit out. It's just my guess.